is week 88 now, so we've just around the halfway mark for the job.
We lost a lot of time. We ended up about 20 weeks behind after the basement. Been through the programme, we've taken whatever opportunity we could to try and claw that back. Currently sitting about 5 weeks behind.
But we're slowly catching that up at the moment. We're working double shifts to try and get all the frame up, because that's a very critical part of the job.
Technical Services is a central department. We are a team of engineers with specific expertise.
Technical Services have been brilliant on this job. Probably got pushing 500 different temporary works items, all of which are high risk. So having somebody with the knowledge of temporary works previously really helps us out a lot.
I should imagine we have in excess of 140 years of construction experience. We have seen a lot. We have dealt with many different projects and many different tasks.
There's a lot of interaction on this job between every package and all the trades.
We're very much now one team with an open approach.
And we try and pull our ideas together to try and push forward.
Challenges appear day to day. We work closely with the site team to resolve those challenges and keep the construction process going.
So I'm responsible for a team which are delivering the mechanical and electrical services on the project. We're trying to achieve an EPC rating B on this building, which is extremely challenging with a fully glazed facade. But working collaboratively with our construction colleagues in the design team, we've managed to achieve that rating. We are ultimately constructing a very efficient building, which will have a benefit to the client. He will have a reduced energy consumption.
So we're using the BIM 360 system. We use our iPads so we can take photos and email issues directly from site to the subcontractors.
BIM 3D modelling, rather than us traditionally working in a 2D environment, we can build the project in a virtual world effectively. So what you see in that model is what you will see on the site, which has massive benefits to us in reducing risk.
I'm a tower crane operator, just concentrating on the steel frame of the building itself. Health and safety is prioritised a lot here. The wind's definitely an object here because of the height of the cranes. With Storm Brian, it was a bit scary. Well, obviously we must wind off when we reach 60 kilometres an hour and just have to stop work.
We have a meeting every month purely on falls from height and objects falling from height. Every item that everyone has, all the tools, everything, it's all tethered and tied up. We're also netting the outside of the building to stop any arc or bits of steel coming off the building. We try to get as many of the high risk or dangerous objects that we're going to use on site manufactured as best we can off site.
Yeah, I really enjoy working with them. Very good with problems that arise.
They're just so helpful with everything. Even though there's so many people in this company, you're not seen as a number, you're seen as a person. I just love everyone. I love coming to work every day. We have a bit of banter about accents, but it's friendly and everyone's so protective over us anyway.
They arrange a lot of evenings out for socialising after work. Everyone has a sandwich, everyone has a chat. People go out for lunch together some days. So even though we have a spats and fallouts, we still have a cuddle afterwards and get on with it.
So the next step for us, we cast the concrete slabs. A couple of days later we come in and we fire protect all the steel beams. We start bringing the glass in around the perimeter, then the M&E starts then.
Well, the more complex a build is, the more satisfying it is when you get it completed at the end. There's nothing better than looking back on a completed job after you've finished and you'll come in 5 years' time and you'll look up and you're like, wow, I helped build that.
It's nice seeing it develop in your own city as well and coming alive and being part of it.
BAM built the Wesleyan at the top of the road sort of 30 years ago, and we've got lads who've worked on this job that worked on the Wesleyan in 1986, 1987, and they still come in the mornings and bang on about the Wesleyan, so hopefully we'll be doing that in 30 years' time.